Bitcoin is pumping to our new resistance at $104,500 and is getting rejected right now. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, why I am actually bullish here for the next coming days and weeks. But of course, we have to keep a very close eye into the next big boss resistance that we have. And of course, also gonna give you some updates here on next upcoming cryptos that are extremely hyped right now, like Bitcoin Hyper and also Hyper Sui. And something very bullish is happening right now, guys. MetaMask is bringing out a reward system. So if you're using MetaMask, then make sure to collect those points, because in the future, with those points, you can get some rewards and so on MetaMask. So if you're also like me using a MetaMask wallet, then of course make sure to participate to this reward system that they have right now. You can check it out with the link in the video description right at the top, guys. I'm gonna put the event link basically where you can create a MetaMask account or also just download the app, because then with my link you can get some extra points while you're participating on this reward system. Also, if you need an exchange where to trade cryptos, currently I recommend KCEX exchange, because this one has the lowest trading fees, completely zero. Only if you do trades on futures trading and you do market taker, yes, then you pay 0.01%, but otherwise no trading fees to be paid and also no withdrawal fees at all here. So take advantage of KCEX exchange, guys, with the link in the video description, and of course also Bybit and so on. I'm using different crypto exchanges here. Those are the ones that I'm using personally, like Bybit, KCEX, Maxi Global and so on. Sign up with my links to get everywhere the maximum sign up bonus, and of course also if you want to get into Bitcoin Hyper, Maxi Doge and so on, all new hyped upcoming cryptos you can find here in the video description, especially Hyper Sui that currently is going viral. In a few weeks they raised over 2 million, and you can see why. It is basically because currently we can buy in the pre-sale price at this one over here. The listing price will be 9 cents, so this is 2,400% higher than the current pre-sale price. So definitely take advantage of that. And also Bitcoin Hyper has raised now over 26 millions. This is insane, guys. Also here you have to connect a DeFi wallet like MetaMask, like I'm doing. And then you can buy into this token by using Ethereum, Binance or stablecoins. And you can also stake it for 45%. This is a very hyped new layer 2 coming out with basically Solana virtual machine, but on top of Bitcoin. This new layer 2 on top of Bitcoin should replace all the others that are so far at least never so hyped like Bitcoin Hyper right now. And that's why I'm very bullish about the launch of this token and the project itself. It's also one of the best upcoming cryptos in different crypto websites, this one over here. And if you want to get it, of course, the link is in the video description. So remember, guys, everything in this video is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you see me taking trades or buying and selling cryptos here, it's just my own opinions, my own observations and reasons why I'm doing that in the market. So that's why always make sure to do your own research as well, guys, since I'm just sharing everything that I'm doing here since 2017. Every day I keep you updated what I'm doing, guys. And yes, I'm currently long. I told you that we had a good buy signal down here in the 3 and 4 hour time frame. We are coming up to our first resistance at 104k. We are seeing right now a little rejection, but I'm pretty confident that very soon we are going to go to higher levels and maybe even resume the bull run. We will see, guys. But on the daily time frame right now, I like that we are cooling off all the indicators. So once here we're getting a buy signal that could be a very, very strong buy signal that could take us again back into a bull run here, of course. But therefore we need to break now important resistance levels that are crucial right now for this bull run, because time-wise the cycle top should be already in for Bitcoin. But the thing is that as long as we have weekly closes above the 50 weekly moving average, this green moving average here, so as long as the weekly closes, this is the weekly time frame. So if this week is going to close above 103k, so above the 50 weekly moving average, like we did with every massive correction during this whole bull run, like here in April 2025 or here in September 2024 and so on, you can see that every time we bounced from it, we had it directly into new all-time highs. And this can happen again. But therefore, of course, Bitcoin needs to prove now that we are in a bull run. First, we need the weekly close above 103k here, not go below. And then even if we go above, then again, it's invalidated, because we need really the weekly close to be above 103k. Then we have the chance to rally all the way up to this new resistance at 115 to 112k, depends how fast we're gonna go there. And this is from this rising wedge. You can see that Bitcoin is forming this rising wedge. If it breaks down, like potentially we're seeing right now, the problem is that the next target would be then down here at 77k, and over the next coming weeks and months, even if we get some bounces there, at the end we would end up towards this place here, this price level where we started this wedge, which is also coinciding with the 200 weekly moving average more or less, and and this multi-year support curve here at around 55k. Everything is coming down to that price level if here we're gonna see a breakdown. And that breakdown, of course, doesn't mean that from here on immediately we're gonna dump down. We're gonna have, of course, also some bounces on the way to the downside, basically, if now really the bear market has started. But Bitcoin still has the chance to resume the uptrend here. And the good thing is that if we really are able to stay above the 50 weekly moving average, that means that this uptrend is not broken yet, even though time-wise the cycle top should be already in here in September, October of this year. But that means that the bull run could continue more and more, and therefore then of course my target would be all the way up here at around 150k. This is the resistance curve that we have from previous cycle tops, and of course the next Fibonacci extension level up here based from the current or the last market top and market bottom. But all in all, it really depends how we're going to close this weekly candle. This will determine if bear market has started or if we see a continuation, another leg up before this rally maybe is going to complete. And wherever Bitcoin is going, of course, also the altcoins will be following, like Ethereum, Solana, Tron, BNB, all of them, they will follow Bitcoin. That's why make sure to be ready for buff scenarios, whatever happens. Of course, I keep you updated. That's why be subscribed to you guys. I keep you updated every day, whatever is going on. And of course, also I'm buying into new hyped upcoming cryptos like everyone else is doing. You can see here that the raised funds are going higher and higher. This one raised over 26 million now. Bitcoin Hypersui over 2.3 millions in just a few weeks. This is the next big competitor to Aster and Hyperliquid. So everyone is bullish about this new Sui decentralized exchange that is upcoming, and you can join, of course, the pre-market phase at this price. This one keeps going higher and higher with every time that the countdown is going down to 0 here. It enters into the next stage until the final stage at 9 cents. And this is also then the listing. That's why the earlier you're buying in, the better. And also here you can easily connect a wallet like MetaMask and then of course buy in here with the cryptos that are supported here. Many cryptos are supported here to buy in. And then of course you can get some coins and claim them at launch. And also at the same time, you can be participating on this reward system on MetaMask. So definitely check it out, guys. Don't miss out on these new pre-sales as well, because I'm very bullish about them. Of course, also no financial advice, guys, no promises, nothing, but I'm bullish about new cryptos. I'm currently only buying into new upcoming low market cap cryptos like Bitcoin Hypersui, and so on. The complete list of those new cryptos are in the video description. And of course, also trading Bitcoin. The altcoins, I'm not touching them too much right now because everything will be depending now from Bitcoin. So that's it for now, guys. I keep you updated, of course, so stay tuned, be subscribed. Our crypto family is growing every day, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you all in the next one. Crypto Underground over for now.